You thirsty? Have some carbonated water.
Let's do this.
All right, Megan.
Thirsty? Get some carbonated water at the counselor's house.
Careful, careful.
Don't spill it.
Smoke just came out your nose.
Boom! Really?
Yep.
Yeah,
So the
Are you gonna tie it?
You got me too?
Sure.
Okay. Ready? You gotta throw it fast. Throw it. Nice. Megan, you wanna do one?
Yeah.
So,
Ooh.
That one went fast.
I wonder how you could feed carbon dioxide. Whoa!
Now you don't need to plug yours.
That was cool.
Whoa. So do we need to plug our ears?
No. So, what happened?
It expanded and blew up.
That's right.
Liquid, they only really need a certain amount of room.
Now, what about the plastic? Is the plastic a gas?
No.
Is it a solid?
Yes.
So what does that tell you about the power of gases?
They are
They
very
don't
strong.
quit.
They could destroy a solid, huh? All right. You wanna do another?
Yeah.
Sure. So then why hasn't oxygen exploded us?
Pressure.
Mm.
Do you know what people say would happen if you went into space?
You'd blow up.
Explode.
Why?
Because pressure.
Is it, would the solids in your body expand?
No.
No.
Would the liquids in your body expand?
In
Would the gases in your body expand?
yes.
So Daniel, does that answer your question?
Yes.
So to answer your question, we would blow up.
Yeah.
All right, Dan, you ready?
Yep.
You nervous?
A little bit.
That's how I was my bottle. I was like, ah. So we should not breathe that
That's a
in.
good one. You could breathe. Ready?
Yep. That's cool.
I'm gonna do this one, I think.
Okay.
It's going fast.
Whoa, nice one.
There you go.
Whoa!
That is louder than the cannon. That one was.
All right, Dan.
That's awesome.
Here's yours, buddy.
That one was cool.
So,
We know that it's going to explode faster. It depends how fast or how much the vapor is coming out.
that's a good way of looking at it, huh?
So, did you know if you don't wear gloves, it can burn you?
Yep.
That's how cold it is.
What's that called?
Uh,
What's that malady of the skin called?
I forget what the word is.
Frost?
Bite.
Frostbite.
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 Very good.
I was about to say freezo-bite.
Freezobite.
Friezo.
But I'm like, that's not the word. Frozone bite. Frozone bite bit you.
Frozone. Honey, where's my super suit?
Honey, where is my super suit? Why do you need it?
I put it away.
The city is in danger. Your marriage
So
is
why
in
does
danger.
so bottom line, why does the bottle explode?
The
Vapor.
Not
The gas.
the gas
Gas.
makes the
But there's
bottle
gas all over
expand.
the place, right?
Too much pressure.
Too much pressure, exactly. What are other ways that you can make too much pressure? Think of other things that go boom.
Balloon.
Balloon,
Cannon.
that's right.
Cannons.
Cannons. How do cannons explode?
I would guess they would do kind of the
They
same
have-
thing
They
like
have
us.
too much pressure.
They've
But do they have too much pressure
Bombs.
because
bombs. Why do bombs?
Bombs.
why do
explode?
bombs explode, Megan?
Because there's too much. They put pressure inside of them. I
How do they
guess?
get pressure inside of a bomb?
I have no clue.
Daniel?
Dynamite?
They
Oh no,
could
the
use.
force of the
Daniel, want to do this one?
the force. So something has to explode inside of it.
That's
the force
right.
of
But
that.
think about what we've learned today about solids turning into gases. What would cause a bomb to explode?
I don't know.
That was funny when you did the
Ready, Dan?
smoke thing. When you put it in your mouth.
Go.
Go fast.
Nice. That was a good one.
was cool.
But Daniel, you're really close. So bombs explode because of fire, but we have fire in the fire pit. Why doesn't the fire pit explode?
Because there's room for
room
it
to expand.
That's
yeah.
right.
In a bomb, there's a giant metal case around it.
That's exactly right. So Megan, what is your question about bombs?
So,
heat.
there are those little
I know.
bombs that like you press that button and then you throw them and they go off, right?
Bomb and you push the button and
Like-
you throw them.
Okay,
Like a grenade.
kind of, yes.
You pull the pin and you throw it and it blows up.
Yeah.
Right.
Pressure.
But how does it just blow up when you just press that little button and then you throw it?
Most explosives, so we talked about explosives, you need a high, basically something that's high explosive.
Yeah.
Something that'll basically burn really, really fast.
Yeah.
Okay? Most of those things that do that, do you want to throw this one, Megan?
Sure. Actually, I was gonna see if Daniel wanted to do it, cause
Okay.
You can if you want.
You want to see if you can breathe some in? Feels
yes,
really
I
weird.
want to.
You can go first.
Okay.
Nice. What does that remind you of?
Soda.
That's exactly right, because what do they put in soda?
Carbon dioxide.
It feels really weird on my throat,
Why do you think it feels weird?
cause the
So cold.
Huh?
So cold.
if you seriously
No, it's not that
breathe
cold.
it in.
There he goes.
There goes the, wow. You got stuff land. So Daniel and Megan, come over here. You guys are in the shot here. So what did you guys learn today? Daniel, name one thing you learned today.
I learned that air pressure. I learned that pressure can really do whatever it needs to do to get out of the solid.
Very good. Megan, what's one thing that you learned today?
I learned that, well, first of all, this is kind of what I learned. This is one thing I learned. I kind of have two things that I learned.
Go for it.
One thing I learned was that gas is really strong and powerful and can really do what it wants. It's so strong that it needs the room to be able to move around and
Gas takes up a lot more room
Yeah. It's
like
than
a
a
little
solid
kid.
does, doesn't
It's
it?
like a little kid.
And-
A little kid needs a lot of room. To
also
That's
if
right.
you ever breathe in the carbon dioxide stuff that like when it's like kind of overflowing like that, it makes your throat feel weird because it's not oxygen.
That's right. Our bodies know that that's not what we're supposed
It's
to be
like,
breathing,
hey,
huh?
Hey, stop.
So here's
My
the
throat's so
carnage
serious
from
with
this
it.
morning. Here are the water bottles that all attacked us, and we had to defend ourselves with lethal force. And we're going to leave these out here as a warning to any other water bottles or Pepsi bottles that may think that they can take advantage of us. So, all right, good job, you guys. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.